Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Ari Renee. This is a back to school video for everyone going back to school. A cute look on how to slay the first day of school. Really calm, natural look. I think this is natural. You might not think it's natural, but this is a natural. So anyways, please continue watching. I hope everyone has a really good school year. Try your best. As long as you try your best and don't slack off, you'll do great. Comment below what grade you're going to when you're starting, and if you're starting college, tell me what major you're trying to pursue, and keep on watching. Thank you. Okay, we are going to start with the eyebrows. I'm just going to brush them up a little and then start filling them in. I'm so excited, like school is finally back. I'm starting college, guys. I'm starting college. It's a new beginning. And I'm so excited to have started my channel with me going to college. I mean, I started a while ago. I started in the summer, but you get the gist though. This is just a quick back to school makeup tutorial to show you how to go from summer baddie to school baddie. So this is it. Just do the bottom and then the top and then fill it in. I did that in like 1 minute. And going to school, you don't have time to beat your face. So you just have to do it really quick, like that. And then the next side, you line the bottom, the natural shape of your eyebrow. And then the top. And then you just fill it in, starting with the outside, and then you move towards the inside, like that. And then when you get to the front, you don't do it as harsh. Just do little strokes like that, and then brush it out. So I'm just going to use the Cool Tan concealer and just clean it up just a little. Let's go with the bottom. And then the top. You do the bottom first and then the top. Boom. Eyebrows done. This was also like a mini eyebrow tutorial real quick. So now we're going straight to face. I blend out the eyebrows when I do the foundation. So first we're going to prime the face. I have oily skin, so I'm going to use the Black Radiance Shine Control Primer. I'm so excited for school. I'm going to major in economics. I don't know what I'm going to minor in yet, but I might do media studies or accounting. I'm so excited. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in 338. This is my exact shade, but sometimes I mix it with the 340. This is also for oily skin. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in normal to oily, because I want it to last all day through all my classes. Okay, so now I'm going to take my foundation brush and just blend all of that foundation. comment below when you're starting school, what grade you're going to be in if you're in high school, and if you're going to college, what major you're going to be. Okay, now that foundation is done, I'm going to use this brush right here. It's a flat brush. And I'm going to just blend out the concealer I used to shape my eyebrows, because I don't want any harshness or anything on top of my eyebrows. Okay, now that I'm done with foundation, I'm just going to lightly contour my face with the Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. Just going lightly into it and then dusting it off of my arm and going on my cheekbones. I'm going to put a little bit on my jawline. Okay, now I'm going to highlight my under eyes because, you know, college, you're going to be tired. You know, staying up all night, doing homework, studying. We need to hide those bags, you know? So I'm going to use the Cool Tan LA Girl Pro Concealer to just hide those bags under my eyes. I'm going to put literally a little bit under my contour just to pop my cheekbones a little. Now we're just going to blend everything. To blend the under eye highlight, you have to start on the outside and then move in towards the eye. So you start blending out on the outside and then you move in towards the eye, because most of the concealer you want it to stay under your eye to make you look awake, and you don't want it towards the contour, because the contour, you want it to go from light to dark, not from dark to light, like, you know, like you don't want it harsh. So I'm not going to bake my face. I'm just going to set it with some loose powder and then go into, you know, blush and highlight. And for blush, I'm going to take my Black Radiance Baked Blush in the shade Raspberry. And I'm going to dab into it a little and put that all over my cheeks. And for highlight, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I'm going to just take a little bit, and I'm literally only taking a little bit, and I'm going to put it right there to give me a little pop. I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot mascara. And for a little extra pop, I'm going to put a little bit of highlight in the inner corner of my eyes. To finish the look, I'm going to set my face with some setting spray, and then you could put on anything you like on your lips, lip gloss, you know, lipstick, anything you want. But this is the end of the video. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. This was a really cute back to school makeup tutorial. You know, if you want, you could add lashes or eyeliner, but this was just a basic look for like beginners, you know, trying to look cute for school. You know, just a cute little thing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you know, learned something, you know, anything from watching this. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you are notified every time I post a new video. Please remember to have a really fun school year and to get good grades. Get good grades so it will pay off at the end. You will be stressed, but it does pay off.